In this video, I'm going to walk you through the student portfolio, which is critical for your learning in this course and for your self-evaluation. So here are the course learning goals, and you do want to make sure that you focus on these because in the end, your portfolio should reflect those course learning goals. So this is week one, and the other weeks are exactly the same, so I'll walk you through it. In the end of the week, you will give yourself a letter grade. And here's a self-grading guide. It's not a strict rubric. It is a guide for you to give you a grade and figure out what you learned, challenges you experienced and overcame, and how you grew. And that's the summary there. Now, you're going to base that on the information below here. And what I've done is I've generated a prompt for you to ask you questions about your Gen AI activity. And you may have more than one, but let's just say you have one. And it will ask you a series of questions and then help create a summary for you so that you can copy and paste that and put it in here. So it is a step-by-step guide on your Gen AI activity. And there is also a prompt for your personal Gen AI project. You should always be working on some sort of Gen AI project, something personal. Some weeks you'll do more, some weeks you'll do less. And so it just depends on whether you're in the flow or not. So here's the prompt for that. And then there is a prompt for in-class contributions. And we will be doing this at the end of each class. So you'll grab the prompt and see what you contributed in class, and then you can copy and paste your contributions in this. And finally, your contributions outside class really consist of you finding Gen AI resources and contributing them to the community. So what you do, here's some examples of things that you can contribute, and you'll click on that. And then you'll post your resources in your Gen AI resources file. That's something that you would have downloaded to your class folder. And then, and this is important, don't forget to post your resources in the class Gen AI resources list. It's a spreadsheet, and you're just going to copy and paste your summaries and your links in that sheet so that the rest of the class can benefit from the resources that you find. And that is a summary of what you would do each week for your student portfolio weekly entry.